Hey everyone, in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to charge your TWS earbuds without a case. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's get started with the easiest method, wireless charging. If your TWS earbuds support wireless charging, all you need is a wireless charging pad. Simply place your earbuds on the pad, making sure the charging contacts are aligned. You should see the charging indicator light up, meaning they're charging. Easy, right? And that's it. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.